What's up guys, in today's video we're gonna test this Fanttik C8 Ultra Duo. This is a 4K camera, dual camera. It has a 2-channel camera, one for the front and one for the rear. Today we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna test it, and we're gonna see how good it is. Let's do it. This is what it comes inside of the box. Okay, it comes with the manual, stickers, power cable with the cigarette lighter connection. Okay, 2 mounts, one extra to place the camera on the windshield. This is the camera. You can adjust the view here of the lens with this tab on the back, and on the back you can place the micro SD card. It doesn't come, it's not included. You have to get an extra SD card. Okay, this is the connection for the USB-C cable. We'll see that in a bit. You can turn it on and off here, but it will turn on automatically when you turn on the car. Okay, what else? Trim tool, the extension cable for the rear camera. This is the rear camera with the connection right here, and this is the one that you can connect for the camera, USB-C cable. And on the back has 3 cables. Let me explain. This one has 3 cables connected to this cable. Okay, the long one is for the rear camera, and the thin one is for the power cable. Okay, this one, the thicker one, this one we're not using. This one is a 4G something connection, but we're not using this one on this camera. Okay, but you won't be able to mess it up. Okay, because they are all different connections. Okay, all right, they are all different. Okay, so remember, the long one, rear camera, and the thin one is for the power cable. So let's connect it on the car and let's test the camera. Let's test it out. Let's do it. Okay, one more thing. One thing you have to keep in mind: the cars, the vehicles, they have airbag. Airbag, curtain airbags that goes down. So if you put the cable maybe here, it's gonna block the airbag. So I'm trying to put it on top, so you can see it on top of the airbag, and then it goes down here, and then it goes down. Okay, now the next step, the power cable. This one, I'm gonna run it under here. I removed this plastic, but I'm gonna put it back. So the cable is gonna go here, and this one is gonna go here to the cigarette lighter connection. The power cable goes here, but the rear camera, I tried to do it in here, but it doesn't reach. It's not enough cable to go on the bottom, so I had to go here, and then here, and push it there all the way, and I push it this one, so it goes all the way to the top, and you can see the cable right there on the back. Okay, the rear camera is perfect. You can see I hide the cable inside this plastic and then inside this other hose. Remember to put everything back so no water leaks, make sure. And then the cable goes here, here, and then goes all the way to the front. The cable is there. Okay, so now let's test the app. Let's see how to connect the app to the camera. Okay, now we're ready. Remember to connect this here. Okay, right there. It's connected. Get the cable a little bit better. Turn on the vehicle.
Hello, Fanttik.
Okay, we're ready. Remember, you have to download the app. This Fanttik Cam. That's the app. Let's open the app. Let's see. I think we have to connect. Go to Wi-Fi. Now this is the Fanttik C8 Ultra. That's the one. We have to connect to that one. Let's put the password and then click join. It's connected. Okay, now it's connected to the camera right there. Connected. Fanttik C8 Ultra. Click on that one. This one has the horizon adjustment. After you adjust the horizon, it has a tab here that you can click up and down to adjust the horizon for the camera view. I already adjusted. You can close it here. Okay, close it. And this is the front camera. You can switch the camera here. There's a little camera on the corner. Click on that one. That's the rear camera. Rear and front. Oh, click on the wrong one. Whoop. Yeah, here. Rear and front. And front. Okay, that's the front camera. In here you can drag this one and go back on the videos, and you can go there and then you can click download here. Bam. Download. You can start downloading the video. The downloading is moving right there, but I don't want to download it. But that's how to download it. You can take pictures here. Yes, took a picture. And then you can see this one and tells you where are you located. After you download the video, it will tell you exactly where are you at, where the video is recorded. Then the data, speed, the compass, G sensor, maximum speed, average speed. Okay, and then you can go to the settings here. 265 video encoding. You can turn on and off here the horizon for the adjustment of the view. Resolution 4K, 2K, 3K, 1080p. All right. Display the speed. Display the date. Flip the camera if it's in the wrong, like a upside down. Flip the image like a vertical, and flip the camera horizontal. Okay. The volume of the speaker, right there. Microphone on and off. Start up, on and off when it has a voice, and then voice control. You can turn it off. Intelligent assistant reminder. You can turn it on and off. Okay, it will tell you some like about too low, like an alarm or something. Okay. What else? Create a 10-second video after you take a picture. Okay, it will take a video. The G sensor is in the middle, high, low, and off. I'm gonna leave it in the middle. What else? Time lapse when you turn the parking sensor. It's time lapse video. Okay. Length of the video 24 hours, 12 hours. Let's put 12. Okay. Vehicle battery protection. Yes, in the middle, 12 volts. Okay. This one is when the battery is low, it will turn off by itself. If the camera detects that it's lower than that, it will turn off automatically. Okay. This is the Wi-Fi name. This is the password. You can change it there. You want the files. Oh, over here, all the files. Cool. Front and view. Cam storage. You can format the camera there. Okay. Let's format the camera. Oh, cancel. Let's do it later, but you can format the camera there. And then what else? That's it. You can go back here and go in Me, local album, and you will have the videos right there. Image, this, and that. Okay? Videos from today. App settings, you can turn the language, format the language selection, the measurement, miles or kilometers per hour right here. The storage, delete everything. Bug reporting. terms and privacy. Okay, right there. That's it about Fanttik. The information, contact email, and you wanna update, you can update this one. Okay, you can, let's update button. Let's update later. Okay, that's everything of the camera. So now let's test the camera to see the day view and night view of the camera. Let's do it. Okay, let's start with the front camera. This is the day view for the front camera. It's 4K resolution, but it has something like an AI thing that it gives you information, but you can turn it off that on the app right there on the yellow button. Okay, so this is how it looks for the front camera. As you can see, it looks very clean. You can read the license plate super good, everything. The brightness of the camera, it looks super nice. Resolution, amazing. You can see the cars very clearly, the size, everything. And now this is the day view for the rear camera. The rear camera is 1080p resolution, so it's a little bit less resolution. That's why when the cars are far away, it's a little bit hard to read the license plate. But when the car gets closer to the camera, you can read the license plate better. Okay, but it's still good for recording an accident. If you have something that hits the back of the car, it's perfect. And now this is the night view for the front camera, 4K resolution, and this one is still amazing. This one has super night vision mode that you can see. It looks super clean. You can read the license plate super good. You can see the cars great. As you can see everything, wow, it's very, very good. Okay, so for the front camera, no complaints. It's amazing with the night vision, everything amazing. You can see everything clearly, the cars, everything. Okay, now this one is the night view for the rear camera. This is 1080p resolution, but it's still very good. You still can read the license plates. The resolution is a little bit less, but this one has night vision. As you can see, the night vision helps a lot with the glare of the cars. It has a wide dynamic range too. As you can see, you still can read the license plate even with the headlights on, facing the camera. It's amazing. So the resolution is a little bit lower, but it's still very good for this camera. Okay, those were the videos for the camera, night and day view for the video. You can decide if you wanna get the camera. This one I do recommend a lot because the resolution is very good. The night vision is amazing. Also for the rear camera, usually the rear cameras, they struggle at night, but this one, it looks very good. Okay, I'm amazed of the resolution for the rear camera. Okay, but you can decide after you watch the video. You can decide by yourself if you want to get this camera. Okay, the links for this camera, they're gonna be on the description of the video down below if you wanna get it. If you like this content, please support the channel by liking the video, subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.